Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We are watching the news roundup of the day with Lopata. Let's have a look at the top stories. The dates of National Eligibility Test NET exam has been postponed to 24th September onwards by the Ministry of Education's testing agency after its dates were clashing with Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR exam. Security officials at Biju Patnaik International Airport here detained a person after a pistol was found from his luggage during luggage checkup. This incident occurred Saturday morning. The accused was later handed over to airport police station. Biju Janata Dal BJD MP Dr. Sasmit Patra on the second day of monsoon session of Parliament Tuesday reiterated the demand for building an Odisha Cultural Centre and Library in New Delhi. Odisha is a land of rich culture and heritage. Odisha's famous Odissi dance has earned love from all over the world. Odia language is one of the 6 classical languages of India. Also, Odia cuisine, textiles, handloom and handicraft have global appreciation, said Patra. Popular Odia actor Sritam Das has been tested positive for COVID-19. The actor took to his Twitter account to disclose the information. He also requested all those who had come in contact with him and his wife in the last 7 days to undergo home quarantine and get COVID-19 tests done. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) gave a complete clean chit to former Secretary of Odisha Olympic Association Ashirbad Behera in his alleged connection with the Barabati Stadium land grabbing case. The CBI withdrew all the allegations against Behera related to the scam Monday evening after a thorough investigation regarding the case. In yet another case of leopard skin smuggling case, forest officials arrested a person for possessing and selling the animal's body part at Balipada village in Ganjam district on Monday evening. India's novel coronavirus tally crossed 49 lakh Tuesday with 83,309 new positive cases, while 38.59 lakh people have recuperated so far, taking the recovery rate to 78.28%, the Health Ministry said. The death toll rose to 80,776 with 1,054 more people succumbing to the infection. The case fatality rate stands at 1.64% according to the ministry data. There are 9,90,061 active cases of the coronavirus disease, comprising 20.8% of the total 49,30,236 cases, it said. That's all for today. You were watching Orissa Post Live. To stay updated, stay with us.